You are the CEO of a bank which sustaining continuous losses in its insurance business although your company has a large bank of customers. What according to you could be the problem and what solutions would you suggest to the board? Create a strategic plan to rebuild your business. Do you think retrenchment could be a strategic option? Justify your answer. As the CEO of the bank, if the insurance business is sustaining continuous losses despite having a large customer base, there could be several potential problems that need to be identified and addressed. Here are some possible problems and corresponding solutions. Problem 1. Inadequate risk assessment and pricing solution. Review the risk assessment methods and pricing strategies used for insurance products. It is essential to accurately assess the risks associated with different types of policies and price them accordingly. Conduct a comprehensive analysis of the underwriting process to identify any gaps or inconsistencies. Consider employing experienced underwriters and data analytics to improve risk assessment accuracy. Problem 2. Inefficient claims management solution. Evaluate the claims management process to identify any bottlenecks or inefficiencies. Streamline the process to ensure timely and accurate claims processing. Invest in technology and automation to expedite claims settlement and reduce errors. Focus on enhancing customer experience during the claims process to improve satisfaction and retention. Problem 3. Ineffective sales and marketing strategies solution. Assess the sales and marketing strategies for insurance products. Analyze the target market, customer preferences, and competition. Develop a robust marketing plan to effectively communicate the value proposition of the insurance products to potential customers. Consider leveraging digital channels, partnerships, and targeted advertising campaigns to reach a wider audience. Problem 4. Inadequate product portfolio solution. Evaluate the existing insurance product portfolio to ensure it aligns with market demand and customer needs. Identify any gaps in coverage or emerging trends that can be capitalized on. Consider introducing new products or enhancing existing ones to cater to changing customer requirements. Conduct market research and gather customer feedback to inform product development decisions. Problem 5. Poor customer retention solution. Focus on improving customer retention by enhancing the overall customer experience. Provide personalized and responsive customer service to address queries and concerns promptly. Offer incentives and rewards to loyal customers. Leverage data analytics to identify customers at risk of churning and implement proactive retention strategies. Regarding the strategic option of retrenchment, it may not be the most suitable approach in this scenario. Retrenchment typically involves downsizing or divesting certain operations to cut costs and refocus resources. However, considering that the bank already has a large customer base, retrenchment may lead to a loss of market share and potential long-term growth opportunities. Instead, the strategic plan should focus on improving the underlying issues within the insurance business. By addressing the problems mentioned above and implementing the suggested solutions, the bank can rebuild its insurance business while leveraging its existing customer base. This approach aims to optimize the current resources, improve operational efficiency, and regain profitability in the insurance sector. Retrenchment should only be considered as a last resort if all other efforts fail to revive the insurance business, and the losses continue to impact the bank's overall financial health. It is crucial to exhaust all strategic alternatives and explore growth opportunities before resorting to retrenchment, which can have significant consequences for the bank's reputation and market position.